Phospholipid Synergy is a product I designed from the ground up to not only be a cell membrane focused nutrient combination, but to be a cell biology in its totality, restorative and remodeling in the true sense of the word combination of nutrients. It has the correct phospholipid spectrum of nutrients and plenty of it in order to help your cells stay in a perpetual state of self-repair, self-healing, so that they can keep on giving you their best. If you're interested in our Phospholipid Synergy product, please do click on the link below. We'll have some more information for you there.